So today we are going to see about the simulation. Okay, what do you mean by simulation? Simulation is all about the transaction which is like imitation of data already was drawn, and that data is supposed to be redesigned according to the mathematical equation and find out the exact data. And also the simulation model is for testing aircraft or else like cyclical park in traffic system. It's really a flexible complex mathematical problem actually, and this simulation is also have too many of problems or divisions are there. The simulation you will have a Monte Carlo technique is very important simulation model. Here I am going to tell you about a simple simulation model for a understanding, and kindly make down the question. An automobile production line an automobile production line turns out turns out about 100 cars per day about 100 cars per day, but deviation occur owing to change many causes. The production is more accurately the production is more accurately described by the probability distribution given below. Just segregate the column into production per day, and probability. Okay, this one is they were given in the question itself. Okay, so production per day and the probability, and that 95 0.03, 96 0.05, 97 0.07, 98 0.10, 99 0.15, 100 0.20, 101 0.15, 102 0.10, 103 0.07, 104 0.05, 105 0.03. Okay. Now, under this table, they gave instruction. Kindly make down. Finished cars are transported. Finished cars are transported across the bay at the end of the bay at the end of each day by ferry dot. If the ferry has space, if the ferry has space only for 101 cars, comma, what will be the average number of cars waiting 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 to be shipped, and and what will be the average number of empty spaces in production area. Got it. Now we will get into the problem. What they gave us, they said they are produced. It's a car manufacturing company. they given the production list. For example, like they given the total productions of what is that, daily production in the organization, and the probability how much they are producing per day. This is the problem which they give. And they also given the restriction called, they supposed to produce 101 cars only in a day or per day. If they are producing less, obviously that becomes a empty spaces. We have lot of spaces in the organization, but we produce only 2 cars in the what is it, in the production area. In the sense, you can have 98 cars inside the company, right, inside the production area. So which means you have empty space, right? So what they found is, you supposed to produce only 101 cars. If you're not producing 101 cars, that becomes empty. If you're producing 101 cars, that becomes this one. As well as if you're beyond the 101 car, that becomes waiting. Okay, so what you have to do is, you supposed to calculate the values over here. How come? In a sense, for example, the production per day is 95, right? So now you are going to calculate the cumulative probability. This is actually the next step which you have to calculate. Okay, the next step of a problem is, you have to find out the cumulative probability. Okay, from the probability, from the from the probability. So cumulative probability, the value will be the same as, 0.03, the first value will be as it is, and this plus this 0.08, then this plus this 0. 0.15. I hope I have right. Then 0.25, then 0.40, then 0.60, then 0.75, then 0.85, then 0.92, then 0.97, then 1.00. This is your cumulative probability. Whenever a simulation problem asks you to find out whatever they said, you have to find out the probability and the cumulative probability. This is very important in a simulation problem. And also check that your probability is supposed to be, your cumulative probability should have 1. Okay, your value is supposed to have 1. Then only you are in a right tag. Okay, and the next one is, you have to write the tag value. Okay, tag value from the cumulative probability. How you will be writing this tag value? In the sense, like this, for example, I just better I can make it here, because next step I can write there. Okay, then only you can easily understandable. 596, 900, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. And just check your tag value. The tag value, which is totally very easy to write from the cumulative. How you will be writing the tag value from the cumulative? This is your production and the tag value or tag number. Okay. The tag number comes from the cumulative, as I told you. What is the last number of a cumulative probability? 0.3, right? So before the 3 is 2. Okay. So the value is supposed to be 0.202. Got it. What is the value here? 8. So about to 7. Where we end here? 2, so 3. Where we end here? 7, so 8. The before value of 15 is 14. Where we end? 14, so next one is 15. Before value of 25 is 24. Then 24 ka next value 25. Before value was 40 is 39. 39 ka after value is 40. Before value is 59. After 59 is 60. Before value of 75 is 74. Next value of 74 is 75. Before value of 85 is 84. After value of 84 is 85. Before value is 92 is 91. After value of 91 is 92. Before of 97 is 96. After 96 is 97. Before 1 is 99. This is your tag number. Very, very important when you do for average or whatever. The simulation is supposed to have a probability, in the sense supposed to have a tag number also. Tag number is very important. Okay. The next step, we are going to calculate the average number of cars waiting as well as the average number of empty spaces. How you will be doing all those things with the help of a tableau again. So first thing is, you supposed to have a random number. The random number is fixed by yours. You have to write your own random number. Okay, they will not tell you to create a random number, or they sometimes, the problem itself, they gave you some of the random numbers. Here they not given any random numbers, so you have to write a random numbers of either 10 or 15. So what is the plus is, in an examination your values differ from some other value. Okay, so don't expect the same value each and everyone will get. Okay, now so here what I am going to take is, I take a 15 numbers. Okay, 15 days. So 15 days I am going to take it here. Okay, so 15 days in the sense, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Even you can take 10 also, no issues. Okay. This 15 days you can write your own random numbers. For example, what I'm going to write is, I'm going to take my own random number, 97. I produce per day is 97 I produce, and second day even I produce 2 also, because of manpower I have less manpower. So this one you can write your own. Okay, don't expect the question. Sometimes the question also will have, if not, in the sense you have to write your own values. Okay, so don't expect the question itself have a random number. Okay, then 6, 24, 39, 47. Okay, this one is your own answer. Don't expect the random number from the question. Got it? And next one, compare with the random number with your tag value, the previous step, right? So 97, where is that 97 in a tag number? This is your 97, 92, sorry, 97 to 99, right? So here 97 is there. So what is the value of 97 is 105 cars per day. So that one you have to write here. Okay, this is the production list which you got from the previous step. Okay, then 2. 2 lies between 95. 80. 80 lies between 102. 66. 66 will be here, so 101. 96 will be here, 104. 55 will be here, 100. Again 50, 100. 29 will be 99. 58. 58 is around 100. 51 is around 100. 4 is around 96. 86 around 103. 24 comes under 98. 39 comes under 99. Then 47 comes under 100. This is the production which I got from the previous step. Okay, and next one you are going to find out the average number of cars waiting and average number of empty spaces. So average number of cars waiting you are going to calculate. This is for waiting and this is for space which you have or empty. Okay, now listen carefully. Average number of cars waiting, in the sense, what I told you is, I am going to produce 101 cars per day, that is restricted. Okay, I supposed to produce 101. If I am not produce, obviously I am in a delay process, or my manpower or some other problems will be there in the organization. Got it? So here, if your cars is producing 101, okay, then I have, what about this? Then I have the perfect production in my organization. If I produced more than 101, which means I have extra cars in my hand, which means I make the cars to be empty. I can stay somewhere. or I have too many waiting cars can be there in the organization. If I produced only less amount of cars, which means I can also have some other cars to be accumulate over here. So I have the empty spaces. The concept is when you are producing more cars, which means you have waiting cars in your hand. If you are producing less cars in a day, you have extra cars can be accumulated. That's what the empty spaces. Okay, now we'll minus with this one. Okay, they gave the restriction is 101 cars per day. Okay, so what you have to do is 101 minus 105. What it means, you have 4 more cars are produced already. So I'm going to make the cars to be a waiting list. So 4 cars are in waiting. So there is no empty. Now here, this is different. 95 cars only produced. So what it means, I have 6 more cars can be accumulated. So that is called the empty spaces. And here 1 cars can be waiting, empty cars. Here no cars, everything is perfect. And here 3 cars can be additional or waiting, no empty. And here 1 car should be accumulate, and here also 1, and here what is this, 2, right? So 2 cars, and here 1 cars, here 1 cars, and here 5 cars, and here 2 cars is waiting, nil. And here likewise you have to take, okay, the average is 2 in the sense hyphen 3 automatically, and this becomes 2 and this becomes 1. And now the total of these two values 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. So total what is that? Waiting cars total average is 10. And here the empty space is available in the organization averagely. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 20, 21, 20, 23. Got it? So this is the answer which you got averagely. Okay. This average value can be converted into per day later. Okay. So what is the average number of cars waiting is 10 out of 15 days. Got it? And here 23 out of 15 days. So per day ka value will be 0.67 per day. And here 1.53 per day. So this is the answer which we got from the problem. Actually the average number of cars waiting to be shipped is 0.67 per day. This much of cars can be averagely waiting in the organization. And here the spaces which we have per day, 1.57 spaces are there, which means we have to produce a car perfectly, or else we have to make the cars to be waiting. All has to be like equally distributed, right? So this is the problem. This is your solution. Thank you.